Hello, I'm on a 1999 Acura TL, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So from here, while the hood's open and the vehicle's off, you look for your dipstick, which is right here. You'll pull this all the way out, wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then you'll stick it all the way back in, pull it out again, and then on the end here, you'll see these two dots. The dot on the left is your full. If I can get this zoomed in right. The dot on the right would be your low level. Sorry, I'm having trouble with the zoom. But if it's barely on this stick, that definitely means you need to get some added. You can kind of see it. Sorry it's blurry. I just can't get it to zoom quite right. But we'll stick this back in all the way. And still, while the vehicle's off, this is going to be the cap we unscrew to add your new oil, which make sure you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same brand, synthetic and conventional you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But we'll unscrew here, and either straight from your quart jug or with a funnel fill as needed. And try not to overfill, but screw this back on when you're done. And then I turn the vehicle on for like 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil through the motor. I turn the vehicle off. And then do that same process again, where you pull this dipstick to check the oil level by wiping it clean, sticking it back in, pulling it out. And I wouldn't do any of this in a replacement of your regular oil changes, which typically you do between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so, depending on type of oil and your motor. As they get to higher mileage, you probably want to do them a little more often. But to do those, you typically put the vehicle on a slight lift, go underneath of the oil pan, pull the plug to drain all the old oil out, replacing your filters as needed, screw the old oil plug back in, and then up here just add the oil recommended for your particular motor, screw it on nice and tight, and then turn the motor on again to circulate the new oil, and then turn it off, and then same process again to check the new level, see if we've got it full or not. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.